at Line Village Bangkok. So yeah, we're gonna stroll around here and I'm gonna show you guys how cool the place is. So stay tuned. So here's the entrance and the first landmark. Welcome to Line Village Bangkok. Hello.
Southeast Asia.
Yes.
Okay. So the first part is Brown's library. Who doesn't want to study if the library is this comfy? Yeah, hello Brown. Up there. Hi. Hi. Wow, the door's open! Amazing! And yeah. Here are our next landmarks. Super cute.
What's your style?
Han!
Yeah.
Hello.
Can you take a picture for us?
Wow, lots of it's cute. We should search for the door to go to the next place and yeah,
It is.
finally.
Oh! Look at this.
Look at this!
is
Oh my
very-
god, amazing! Such a great place.
We should take a pose. This is really cute. Uber cute.
Wow. Well, I don't know why, but I feel like in this room we are looking a lot prettier than before, right?
Yes. Thanks to ring light.
Great lighting brings being beautiful. Let's go to the next room. Next room is, oh my god, it's bedroom.
Bedroom.
Okay, I can
Super cute.
I can
Brown
just
bedroom.
sit here. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is your take a pose. Yay.
First of all, okay, if the room is comfy, then I think I'm gonna just sleep right away, but we cannot sleep here, so yeah, let's move on. So the next spot is the garden. And it's so pretty, pinky. Yay. Yay.
On the chair and take a picture.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so me.
This is me.
No diet, no life. Cheers. Yeah. Okay, there's another customer there. Yeah. Ice cream, but we cannot eat that. Okay. So this is my face when I see cookies. Oh, there's a VR game here where we can see all around us.
Oh yeah.
So that's what we are looking into. It's super fun and super cute. Yeah. Who doesn't love ice cream? Because I love it so much. Ah, now we are going into my heaven. If you know me, you're gonna love it so much. It's a house, Connie's house, and of course, everything in pink. Oh my god, I really want to live there. Like brown balcony chair. Super cute. Oh. And the machines. So here's the kitchen areas, and you will see how cute they are with salads. These are squishes, and of course, smell so good. Oh my god. Steak. Yeah, we cannot eat that for sure. Ketchup and stuff. So other than taking pictures, here we can play games, and here's one of my favorite games when I was a child till now. It's something similar with Cooking Mamas, so yeah, let's give it a try. Yeah, let's go to the next stage. Wow. You're done. Ini apa ada Ini klik di cookiesnya apa?
Klik di tangannya, jangan sampai cookiesnya rusak dan jangan sampai diambil. Nyawanya di sebelah kiri atas.
To the next stage. Next stage, no. Next, it's moon. Wow. It's super cold here. Yeah.
Here it's in outer space.
Yeah. Super cute. You wanna see the stars with me? Yeah. Meteor Garden fans. Next room. We're heading to.
No, come sit.
Oh,
sorry.
sorry. It's Edward's Market. Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's Village Mall.
Cute.
Whoa! Look who's there. You man. And there's a selfie cam. Music's 12. Look what's that? It's some kind of beauty cam. So yeah. Super cute. And the cutie pie. Look who's here. Han. Yang suka ngumpet. And here's the it's our favorite
Itu
sticker.
kayak banget anjir.
Yeah. Looks like
Oh,
one of our
fuck,
friends. He's there too. Okay, he's everywhere. Me here. I'm having party and look who's here. My body. There's a green here. That's mine. And this is Hanna's. What a shame. After having fun with Connie, we're gonna do Dream Theater. So we're gonna watch something with Samsung VR gear, if I right. So let's see. Well, we're gonna play jet coaster here, so we have to wear seat belts and wear the gear. Are you ready?
Yay!
Wow! Let's start. Hello, friends. Whoa. Welcome to the jungle. Well, now we're at the Jungle Brown. I don't think this place made for me because I hate jungle. So let's see if this place can impress me. Well, still in the jungle. There's a worm there. Wow. Hello there. Wait, is it? Wow. It's so pretty. Love. Okay, we are done with the jungle and still it didn't impress me. I still hate jungle because we have to struggle with the stairs, and now we're going to ice cave. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's a lot of friends here. I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry. Yeah, welcome, boss. It's some kind of private room, private study from the boss. Well, there are lots of collections here, which reminds me of Kingsman. Let's move on to the next room. Okay, hold on. Don't scream. I'm gonna show you something fun, amazing, and yeah, you will see. It's a vanity mirror inside this room. Super good. Powder room. Oh my god, we're in heaven. Brown. Brown. Okay, brown's everywhere. Woo. Next room. The finale. This is gonna be the last one. Okay. Okay. Plan France. Okay. Okay, so this is a storybook about everything we went through, and you can cook this one and the next one. Where's Leonard's home? And last but not least, Coney in Wonderland. Well, I don't even know that it's continuing here. Wrap it up, the song of the night sky. Okay, there's another one again. Yourself. Do it yourself. Sorry, I didn't read that. Makeover by Jessica. That was my favorite. Lol, everything was my favorite. Gossip Girl. Fly to the moon, fly me to the moon. Okay, okay, and another books here. So this is gonna be the last part. So it's another infinity room, super cool, super cute with those pictures behind me playing all along, and yeah, this is gonna be the last part. So I had a lot of fun here, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm sure I wanna see you guys on my next fun journey. Bye, ciao, bye. See you again.